Welcome to Whois Data Center, your ultimate source for Whois data. In this video, we'll guide you through our website, highlighting its features and functionalities tailored to meet cybersecurity companies' needs. Let's start. Here, you'll see the reverse Whois domain lookup search bar prominently displayed. Here, you can see our powerful reverse Whois domain lookup search bar. This allows you to perform detailed searches using various parameters like domain, phone, email, name, company, keyword, and DNS. This record provides essential details about the domain, such as the registrar creation date, expiry date, and registrant contact information. Similar detailed information is available for searches using phone numbers, emails, names, companies, keywords, and DNS entries.as. You can see the results provide extensive information, including domain registration details, contact information, and historical data. We covered this part in our previous video. You can check it out in our reverse lookup playlist or description. Here you can see the newly registered domains database. This section is handy for cybersecurity firms. You can see columns like domain name and date, and we provide the updated date data. And here you see total records and options to download, subscribe, or start a free trial for 3 days. Here you can see API. Our API allows seamless integration of Whois data into your systems. The API section provides options to get API and view comprehensive documentation, ensuring you can implement it efficiently. For API, we will cover in a dedicated video. Scrolling down, you'll find our 261 countries Whois database. Use the search bar on the right to find specific country records. For instance, searching for India will display the relevant Whois data. You can download sample data by filling out a simple form, after which you'll receive your Whois Data Center dashboard credentials by email and access to your sample data. Our 4,198 TLDs Whois database is another valuable resource. Use the search bar to find specific TLD records. For instance, you can search for .com, .net, or any other TLD and view details like total records, newly added entries, and download samples. Lastly, we have our 3,671 Registrar Whois database. Use the search bar to find registrar-specific data, such as ICANN information, registrar name, total records, and more. For instance, searching for GoDaddy.com, LLC provides detailed information about this registrar. Whois Data Center offers a suite of indispensable databases for cybersecurity companies. From tracking malicious domains to analyzing registration patterns, our platform empowers you to stay ahead of cyber threats. Thank you for watching. Visit us at whoisdatacenter.com to start leveraging our powerful Whois data today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.